In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Brave browser faster. If your Brave browser has started feeling slow, laggy, or takes too long to load websites, there are several built-in settings you can adjust to improve performance and speed things up. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a few simple optimizations that can help Brave run more smoothly, reduce resource usage, and create a faster overall browsing experience. These adjustments are beginner-friendly, easy to apply, and can make a noticeable difference in browser performance. To begin, make sure your Brave browser is fully updated. Open Brave on your computer, then move to the upper right corner of the browser window and click the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, click on About Brave. The browser will automatically check for available updates and install them if a newer version is available. Keeping Brave updated is important because updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements. After checking for updates, go to Privacy and Security from the left-hand sidebar. Inside this section, locate the option called Delete Browsing Data. Clearing cached files and cookies can help free up storage space and improve browser responsiveness, especially if temporary files have built up over time. When the browsing data window appears, change the time range to All Time. This ensures that all unnecessary cached data and cookies are removed instead of just the most recent files. Once you've selected the appropriate options, proceed with deleting the data from your device. Next, move to the Extensions section in the sidebar and open Manage Extensions. Extensions can sometimes slow down browser performance, especially if too many are running in the background. Review the installed extensions carefully and disable any that you no longer use or need on a regular basis. After that, click on System in the left sidebar. Look for the option labeled Continue Running Background Apps when Brave is closed and turn this setting off. Disabling background activity can help reduce unnecessary resource usage and improve overall system performance. Right below that setting, make sure Use Graphics Acceleration when available is enabled. This allows Brave to use your computer's graphics hardware to improve browser performance and reduce the workload on your processor. Now, return to Privacy and Security and open the Security section. Under the DNS settings, change your DNS provider to either Google or Cloudflare. Both options are known for reliable and fast browsing performance, and you can choose whichever one works best for your connection. Finally, go back to the System section and ensure that Memory Saver is turned on. This feature helps reduce memory usage and keeps Brave running more efficiently, especially when multiple tabs are open. Once everything is complete, restart Brave browser to apply all the changes and enjoy a faster, smoother browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.